Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: volume, mute, and system text-to-speech engine. Once done, open Google Translate and pick source and target languages so you see the speaker icon. If you tap the speaker and hear nothing, make a note of any error text. That tells you whether it's a network, permission, or engine problem. Do this now so the next steps target the root cause rather than guessing which layer, browser, app, or OS is failing. Next, switch or reinstall the TTS engine. Because Google Translate uses the system voice, you want to isolate engine faults. Once you change engines, use the system speech preview to confirm the engine speaks. Then clear app cache or browser site data and restart Translate to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure you grant speech and storage permissions when prompted. Without them, the app may refuse to initialize audio. These steps eliminate engine, permissions, and cached file causes before deeper fixes. Finally, update the app, browser, and operating system, then reboot, because version mismatches often break audio. If problems persist, test in incognito mode or on another device to determine if it's account, network, or device specific. Reinstall the app or reset text-to-speech settings to defaults as a last resort, since that clears hidden config conflicts. If audio still fails, try one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.